Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a shadow effect to shapes and elements in your Lucidchart diagrams and presentations in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, as you can see here in that example diagram, I added a shadow to this text box as well as to this image. So let me show you with this example image here how it works. Well, it features a shadow as well. So let me go with one of these shapes, a triangle like this. So click into the given shape. And you can apply this to objects and shapes like this, but also to images, text boxes. All that will be needed to do is to navigate to the shape options of the given or selected element, enable the shadow effects here, turn them on, and customize them. For example, let me customize the distance, the blurring intensity, the color. Let me go with black, and use that handle here to adjust the angle. There it is. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.